Welcome to our ABC adventure. Are you ready? Can you say it with us? A is for apple. B is for ball. Can you say it with us? C is for cat. D is for dog. Can you say it with us? E is for elephant. F is for fish. Can you say it with us? G is for goat. H is for horse. Can you say it with us? I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. Can you say it with us? K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. Can you say it with us? M is for monkey. N is for nest. Can you say it with us? Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. Can you say it with us? O is for octopus. P is for parrot. Can you say it with us? S is for snake. T is for tree. Can you say it with us? U is for umbrella. V is for van. Can you say it with us? W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Can you say it with us? Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.